Hello and hi to everyone. The Medicinal Garden Kit is a great way to turn a backyard into a pharmacy. The kit constitutes 10 powerful herbal seeds: chicory, California poppy, yarrow, marshmallow, evening primrose, chamomile, lavender, calendula, echinacea, and feverfew. Moreover, there is no need to worry about how to care for them, as the product comes with a detailed instruction manual on how to use these medicinal plants. It also provides information about how to transfer 10 medicinal herbs into healing salves, tinctures, ointments, essential oils, poultices, and medicines. The essential antioxidants and nutrients that we must include in our diet are all found in the herbal seeds of the Medicinal Garden Kit. Having a small backyard pharmacy is worth an investment. Medicinal Garden Kit contains various medicinal plants, and the main aim is to empower people to take their health into their own hands. Chicory. Chicory is used as a natural painkiller for a variety of physical discomforts, such as joint pains and stiffness. This non-addictive herbal plant constitutes analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat arthritis. Chicory can be used with coffee for better digestion. California poppy. California poppy is a flowering plant known to support sleep. It is considered one of the best substitutes for sleeping pills, as it promotes restorative, deep sleep. Make a sleep tea for heightened calming effects to help you sleep fast. Yarrow. The yarrow herbal plant in the Medicinal Garden Kit is known as the wound healer. This medicinal plant helps in treating wounds by stopping the bleeding and also helps prevent infection. Chamomile. Chamomile is a natural antibiotic that helps relax digestive muscles. It is recommended to drink tea made of this herbal plant before going to sleep at night. It also acts as a skin remedy that can heal even the deepest layers of the skin. Marshmallow. Marshmallow seeds present in the Medicinal Garden Kit help soothe the inflammation of our digestive tract. It can create an additional protective layer on the intestines, stomach, and colony, thus helping in treating many digestive disorders, such as stomach ulcers. Take marshmallow tea for a healthy digestive system. Evening primrose. Evening primrose acts as a natural remedy for wounds, bruises, and skin eruptions. It contains linolenic acid, gamma-linolenic acid, that helps keep our skin healthy. In addition, this herbal plant also aids in balancing our hormone levels. Take an evening primrose tea to help control mood swings and hormonal imbalance, and a tonic made using this herbal plant may treat cough, cold, and sore throat. Lavender. Lavender is an anti-inflammatory herb that has numerous health benefits. This is one of the seeds incorporated into the Medicinal Garden Kit that helps enhance blood flow in the body. Use lavender oil on the scalp to promote hair growth and help with lost hair. Create a tincture using this herbal plant that can aid in recovery from mild to moderate depression. Calendula. The Medicinal Garden Kit consists of calendula seeds that help minimize scrapes, wounds, rashes, or insect bite marks. Due to its ability to clean the lymphatic system, this medicinal plant is what one needs to help heal old infections. Use calendula-infused oil to help treat many skin-related problems. A tea of this herbal plant can treat sore throat, mouth ulcers, skin ulcers, and eczema. Echinacea. Echinacea seeds are available in the Medicinal Garden Kit, are considered the most powerful immunity plant. An echinacea tincture can help in stimulating our immune system. It can also be used as an antiseptic and as an oil to help treat inflammation. Feverfew. Another herbal plant in the Medicinal Garden Kit is feverfew, which is considered a nature's aspirin to help treat migraines and fever. Create an anti-migraine tincture to help get rid of severe headaches. All these seeds have been handpicked from the very best plants. What you see is what you get: seeds for powerful medicinal plants that are perfect for making your own remedies at home. The most important thing that's probably missing from your backyard. This package offers you more than you could ask for: a natural antibiotic, a herbal painkiller, a wound healer, and many more. Hope you like the product. To purchase this kit, link is available in the description and comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel so you may not miss the content/product you want. Goodbye till the next video.